Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could seriously boost the performance of your Dell G16 7630 gaming laptop. The Adamanta 64GB DDR5 4800 MHz SODIMM kit. This kit comes with two 32GB modules, giving you a total of 64 GB of high-speed DDR5 memory. Specifically, these are PC5-38400 SODIMM modules, running at a frequency of 4,800 MHz. They're designed with a 1RX8 configuration and CL40 latency, operating at a low voltage of 1.1 V, which is great for power efficiency, especially in a laptop. The 262-pin design is standard for laptop memory, ensuring compatibility. One of the key things to note is that this is non-parity, non-ECC, unbuffered SODIMM DRAM, which is exactly what you need for a gaming laptop like the Dell G16 7630. The single-rank module design helps to maximize performance. Adamanta backs these modules with a limited lifetime warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the product. They also claim to have hundreds in stock, meaning you shouldn't have to wait long to get your hands on this upgrade. Before shipping, each module undergoes thorough testing by the manufacturer. This rigorous testing process ensures that you're getting a reliable and stable product. Plus, Adamanta's experienced technicians can verify compatibility with your system, giving you peace of mind before you make the purchase. For Dell G16 7630 owners looking to maximize their laptop's potential, this Adamanta 64GB DDR5 kit is definitely worth considering. More RAM can translate to smoother multitasking, faster loading times in games, and an overall more responsive system. If you're running into memory bottlenecks, this upgrade could be a game changer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.